Everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Android phone to control your TV with a Google TV device. So what you want to do is swipe on down from the top right and then go to Internet and just make sure you're connected to the same Internet as your TV. And then after we're connected, we want to go to the Google Play Store and get something called Google Home. And once you have this downloaded by Google, open this up. Then go on over to Devices and go to Add Device and go through this process to set up your Google device. And then once we have that set up, it will be displayed under Local Devices now. We can just simply select it. So I have this one in my living room. So you have the option to cast your device or open up remote. And then I should be able to just enter in this code right now on the TV. 4697C6. Then I'm going to just hit pair. And I have a little remote on my screen. And I can control it. So if you lose your remote, you can just use this app. And then you'll be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.